Now, if you want the best deal on a new construction home, you got to go with a move-in ready home. Behind me, we have the Paxton floor plan by Richmond American. This large home has over 4,200 square feet, 6+ bedrooms, a 10,000 square feet lot, and a 3-car garage. You won't want to miss this one. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today is November 13th, 2025, and today we are in the community of Silverbow by Richmond American Homes. This is a fairly new community. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're right off of Blue Diamond, Durango, here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're about 20 minutes away from the airport, about 25 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. Now, the southwest area is a very popular area just because of how convenient it is to get onto the freeway, but also doesn't take too long to get to the airport, to the Strip. But there's also plenty of great restaurants close by. You have Durango Hotel and Resort. If you just go up north Durango for about 5 minutes, Rainbow Street has a lot of good restaurants, so really good area, very popular area as well. Okay, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So here at Silverbow, they offer really large 2-story homes. They have the Dillon, Dayton, and the Paxton floor plans. Okay, these homes are going to range from about 3,680 square feet all the way up to 4,320 square feet. So the prices are going to range from about 900 to about like low 1 million. So for these floor plans, you got 900 to about 1,130,000 for the most expensive one. Okay, how they're doing it here in Richmond, most of these homes are going to be move-in ready, quick move-in homes. So the good thing about those homes is you're going to get the best deals on those when it comes to price, as well as when it comes to like low interest rate financing. Okay, so they're going to offer those on the move-in ready homes. But just in case you're the type of buyer you want to pick out all your options, they do have a couple of dirt lots here where you could actually build from ground up and choose all your options. Okay, HOA here is going to be about $94 a month. Okay, that's just going to be for the upkeeping of the neighborhood. Also, there's 30 lots here by Richmond. 2 of them have been sold, so they still have 28 left. So the average lot square footage is going to be about 6,800. There are like 3 lots here that are available that have a 10,000 square feet lot. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Paxton floor plan. Now this floor plan has 4,320 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bath, 3-car garage. And this is a move-in ready, guys. That means it is available now. Now the price is going to be $1,119,950. Now this lot is also going to be on one of the larger lots here in the community. Again, 10,000 square feet lot. As you can see, there's plenty of space between the house next to it. Now, if you look at these homes over here, you can see that there's not as much space. But yeah, this one definitely has some room to it. Okay, so here, I'll show you guys the garage real quick while the garage is open. So it is finished as far as there's paint and it's textured. So you got your tankless water heater back there. You're gonna have your water softener loop, the door to enter the house, and yeah, beautiful 3-car garage. Okay, beautiful elevation as well. So you're gonna have some brick in the exterior. Okay, you're gonna have the 8-foot door. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor. So welcome in. Now to the right, you're gonna have this den, double door. As you can see, it's great office space if you work remote or if you just, want to have like a great office. This would be it right here. faces the front of the house. Okay, it looks like you also have 4 lights right above, and then you have a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. So let me go ahead and turn on the light. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit brighter in here. Okay, so this is gonna be your formal dining room. Now to the left, you're gonna have the stairs that will go to the 2nd floor. Okay, they also went with the nice upgraded rails. Okay, so as we head to the kitchen, you do have this area right here with some cabinets. You have another refrigerator, a small refrigerator. It's be like your bar area. Okay, nice. Soft close cabinets. Also, we got the glass right here, the see-through. You're also gonna have your pantry here. Good sized pantry. Okay, monogram appliance package. We have the oven and the monogram microwave. So we got these cabinets. Okay, looks like they are all soft close. Check out your oven right here, your monogram stovetop oven. You also have really nice fridge right here. Okay, it's very sturdy. It's gonna be your freezer. You have your dishwasher. It's gonna be your stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, so open floor plan. Here, I'll show you guys all the first floor before we head to the backyard. So they do have a bedroom downstairs. So your bedroom's gonna be here to the right. And then you'll have your powder room. Okay, so your powder room. So you have your linen closet, some cabinets down here. Okay, coat closet. And this is the door to your garage. Okay. So as far as the texture goes, you can see the wall texture. It's flat corner edges. Your baseboards, I would have to say, these are about like 5-inch baseboards. And then this flooring, brown tile flooring all throughout. Okay, the bedroom downstairs. I know it's important to a lot of buyers to have a bedroom downstairs. So this bedroom downstairs has its own full bath. Okay, nice quartz countertop, undermount sink, black fixtures. So you have your toilet. You also have a walk-in shower right here. Nice tile surround. And you have your walk-in closet. So this is going to be your bedroom. Okay, I think all the bedrooms are going to have the 2 can lights with a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Every room has a smoke detector. The hallways have smoke/CO2 detectors. Love the double slider. Here, head to the backyard. So yeah, if you like this community and you're looking for a large lot, definitely got to go with one of these floor plans here. Lot, I think, 17, 18, and 16 are gonna have the largest lots. Okay, that's gonna be your gas line right there, so you could barbecue. Yeah, plenty of space. Hey guys, if you are interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because if you go by yourself, the builder is going to ask you for some information. They're going to log you in their system as having no realtor representation, and the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. Okay, so our job is to get you the best deal. Make sure we walk you through the process. Everything is nice and smooth. We hold the builders accountable. And plus, you don't usually you don't pay us the builder agent fees. Okay, so I mean the realtor fees. I've never charged any of my buyers compensation. I always collect it on the builder side or on the seller side if it's resale homes. So okay, so we'll head up to the second floor. Okay. So wow, you see this, as soon as you walk in, you have this nice open loft area right here. Okay. So you have this roundabout. Okay, so yeah, let's start over here. So again, 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. This is gonna be your full bath for these 2 guest bedrooms. Okay, so this quartz has like a brown, hint of brown in it. Shower tub combo. So you have your toilet as well. Okay, guest bedroom number 1. Really good size guest bedroom. Let's take a look at the view. Okay. Yeah, all these rooms are gonna have jumper ducts for to regulate the airflow. It's the other guest bedroom. Okay, this one's gonna have a walk-in closet. Looks like these doors are the 2-panel doors. Okay, linen closet. Okay, so I'm guessing, yeah, primary bedroom is going to be that one right over there. Okay, so this is the other guest bedroom. Oh, now this guest bedroom has a full bath. Okay, single sink, undermount sink, toilet. Okay, same type of walk-in shower. Nice. So this is it's gonna be your walk-in closet. Okay. So yeah, I mean this bedroom is like it's like a primary bedroom. Okay, so this is gonna be where your laundry room is. Love the upper cabinets. You got the lower cabinets. You also have the sink over here. And you have your linen closet. Okay, smart panel boxes right here. This is where you would connect your internet router and your modem. Oh, okay, that's a primary bedroom down there. Oh, now this room is massive. Oh, is this the primary bedroom? Yeah, I think this is the primary bedroom. So you have 3 can lights up there. No, I think this is the primary bedroom. Yeah, for sure. So walk-in shower. So this room actually has two baths, right? His and her baths, which is crazy. So okay, so beautiful tiles around, right? You have your water closet, your walk-in closet. You have your attic access up there. Okay, you have your single sink. Now this bath, I believe, is okay, check that out. Wow, that has a tub inside the shower. So yeah, this is definitely her bath. Okay, wow. Take a look at that. Wow. Okay, so tub right in the shower. I love the 3 windows right up there too. Okay, so this is gonna be your toilet room. And then this is the walk-in closet. So yeah, that's pretty amazing, right? 2 separate baths in the primary bedroom. Okay, so this is gonna be the guest bedroom. Okay, this guest bedroom is gonna have its own full bath. Which is nice is behind this community, it looks like you have some private lots over there. But yeah, it's not too busy across the behind this house. And then you'll have your walk-in closet right here. All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up for this move-in ready home. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, if you need any help, any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.